How to recover deleted Telegram groups. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to recover deleted Telegram groups. So first thing, just head over to your Telegram application. So let's say I want to delete this group. So as you can see, the first method is once you quickly delete the video, you can see for up to 5 seconds you can see this undo button, which will automatically recover your deleted group. But if you delete it completely and without waiting for 5 seconds, your groups will be deleted. So when you try to search for that particular group, as you can see, you can still see that group, but you will be seen as you left the group. And since I created this group, I cannot simply rejoin the channel or rejoin the group. So the member who are still inside that group should be able to invite me. So you have to message them personally for that. So that is exactly how you can easily recover deleted Telegram groups, just by remembering the actual name. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.